Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be Simplex 4008 Basement Fire Alarm Test 4. We can go ahead and look at all the devices we have set up today. The pull station is a Notifier BNG1. The notification appliance is a System Sensor SS-24 on 800 Hz continuous and is coded by the panel to 20 beats per minute march time. The smoke detector is the same as usual. We will be testing this next. We're going to go ahead and take some Smoke Centurion, as it's called, and spray the detector. That should be enough. Since this is a 4-wire alarm, we do have audible silence. Let's go ahead and pull the BNG1. Alright, let's pull the alarm. To reset this pull station, you will take your notifier key and put it in the lock, like so. Turn it, close the station back, take the key back out, and you're all done, and we can reset the panel. Thank you all for watching. As always, I will accept requests in this series. Be sure to check out my GroupMe, my eBay, and my Instagram pages, which will be in the description. With that said, thank you for watching and have a great day.